Hey guys, let's see how you can download GitHub Desktop for your Windows 11 operating system. So first search GitHub Desktop in your browser and you'll find the first link. I'll provide the link in the description below, and directly come to this home page, and you can see that there is download for Windows option, and you can also scroll down and see how we can use the GitHub Desktop with what is the UI looks like. So there are two options like download for Windows MSI and Mac OS. So let me download it for Windows 64-bit now. Once it is downloaded, let me execute it. Now this is the welcome page. Let me maximize it. You can sign in to github.com directly, or if you are working for enterprise, you can sign in with your enterprise account. Or if you don't have any GitHub account, you can directly create an account by clicking this button. So let me sign in with my GitHub account. It will ask for the permission to access your personal data and your permissions, so you can have a look at it and authorize desktop. Then you'll ask for a pop-up, open GitHub Desktop. Now you can see your homepage is ready. You can explore few options directly from here.